should bend. To whom we are bending? We are bending to our life partner. But Rama is vertical straight. Sita is unable to succeed. Then Rama noticed that. Then Rama had a sign to his brother Lakshmana. So suddenly Lakshmana fallen on the feet of Rama. To bless Lakshmana, Rama bent his body. Sita find that this is the suitable time. Immediately he put that garland in the neck of Ramachandramurti. These types of so many secrets are there in the entire secrets of Ramayana. Now actually we will go to the regular subject. Every satsanga Swami start with a poem, beautiful poem. Here the essence of the poem is everybody wants the peace, universal peace and happiness. How you can attain universal peace and happiness? Once you practice truth, once you practice righteousness, once you practice love, then only we can have that universal peace and happiness. That's the essence of the poem that Swami starts this satsanga. Valmiki propagated this Ramayana in 3 ways. It's a story of Rama, and a story of Sita, and slaying of Ravana, killing of Ravana. It was narrated in 3 types. So what is meant by Ramayanam? Ramasyayanam is called Ramayana. The journey of Rama itself Ramayana. The walking and the talking, everything of Rama is Ramayana. Here we can take three meanings. Once it is a story of Rama is a story of divinity. Rama is nothing but Ramo Vigrahan Dharmaha. Do you know who chanted this? This was narrated by the demon Maricha. You should be proud of it. A Rakshasa narrated Rama as Ramo Vigrahan Dharmaha. Rama is nothing but the manifestation of Dharma. Sai Vigrahan Premaha. When we talk about Swami, he is love coming on 2 feet. Swami is nothing but love coming on 2 feet. That's the beauty of Swami. So if you take it the Rama story, it is story of the divinity. If you think it is story of Sita, it is story of the individual self. If you think it is a destruction of killing of Ravana is nothing but destruction of ignorance. Sairam, please don't disturb me, Sairam. I request all, please. Here, ignorance means once we understand the real relationship between Atma and Paramatma. Atma and Paramatma both are equal, not separate. Atma and Paramatma both are equal, not separate. We must try to understand the relationship. Once you understand the individual self and absolute self both are same, our ignorance will be vanished. So Ravana is the symbol of ignorance. Here, Rama is a 3 bijakstras. Ra, A, Ma. Ra signifies the principle of fire. Or signifies principle of sun. And Ma signifies the principle of moon. What is the significance of this sun, fire? The fire principle destroys illusion. Whatever you put, you can swallow it. What is the principle? What is the principle of our sun? Once the sun came, darkness. Darkness nothing but ignorance, ajnana. What's meant by Ma? Moon principle. It cools the inner heart. So what's meant by Rama? So Rama is nothing but asatoma sadgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amritangamaya. Lead me from falsehood to truth. Lead me from darkness to light. Lead me, not me, us. Lead us from death to immortality. That's the beauty of Rama. Yesterday, I think Madam told that the 4 children were born with this Putrakamesh Yaga. All the children born yesterday. Today is 2nd day, you think. This is about 4 children. You put in, this is 2nd day. Actually, 2nd day means today itself. Yesterday they born, today is 2nd day. Imagine today. This is about, you think like that story so that you can understand beautifully. Dasharatha brought all the children today. Today is second day. He kept in front of Vasishtha, sage Vasishtha. He asked Vasishtha, Swami, you bless all my 4 children. By seeing the 4 children, the Vasishtha was dumb. No words from his mouth. He completely silent. He was completely dumb. No words. He is enjoying the bliss. He is enjoying the beauty. He is enjoying the inner self only. No words coming from his mouth. Just enjoying with the eyes, enjoying with the heart, enjoying everything, total, all the. What I can say? For what purpose I came here, this was fulfilled today. The Brahma sent me to your lineage. First I denied as priest. Then Brahma told that, see Vasishtha, the Sakshat Narayana will come, born in the lineage of this Ikshvaka Vansa. You go and wait there. That is the position that you cannot find place immediately after avatarik. That's why the greatest personality, the sages, the rishis, they will go and occupy the place prior itself before the incarnation of avatar. This will happen in all the avatars. Here also like this. So Vasishtha joined as priest. He looking for this. He told to Dasharatha, I am not came here for your all these comforts. I am not seeing your wealth also. I am waiting for this auspicious moment. The God Himself came in your lineage. Don't think, not be an illusion. He is not a human child. This same happened to Bhagavan itself. Swami was revealed as Balagnani in the childhood by some persons. Even Mother Ishramba unable to understand. Because that's the Maya. That's the Maya of Yasoda also. That's the Maya of Vishwamitra also. That's the Maya of Narada also. We are all common people. When the greatest personality was an illusion, we definitely in Maya. We are in the Maya up to 2011. Now only we are all opened our eyes. Up to April 2024, 2000, we are all in illusion. Just like all the greatest personalities. When Vishwamitra was illusion, when Narada was illusion, when Yasoda was illusion, when Ishramba was illusion, what about ourselves? We are common people. We are also in that Maya. That Swami is a 5.5 feet. Now all opened our eyes now. With a lot of happiness, Vasishtha gone home. A beautiful incident happened one day before. This Rama was born. And luckily I had my top. I am staying in first floor. Second floor, same place. I treat that girl as my daughter. She was blessed with the girl today. I had a message. Just 2 hours back, I had a message that uncle and they called me as Appa. I blessed them, so I gave them vibhuti for easy delivery. You see, Rama was born. That news was brought by one of these servants. Informed to Dasharatha. Dasharatha was very happy. He had taken away one beautiful ornament full of pearls and offered to that servant. You see the beauty here. Once we are having noble thoughts, once we cultivate a noble thoughts, not only this Janma, in the previous Janma also, it will be carried forward. It will carry it forward with our body. The noble thoughts reflect us. You see the beauty of the servant. He rejected that pearls necklace. Master, I don't want this. Please give me. Please look after this Rama. I want to fondle him. I will look after him. I want to take care of him. I want to cradle him. Give me this boon. That was asked by servant. What a beautiful situation. What means, once we are having satsanga, when we are having a noble thoughts, our actions will be like this actions of the servant. So at the age of 5 years itself, Dasharatha had thread ceremony all the 4 children. Then he asked the sage Vasishtha, you give the discipline of learning. You must learn them discipline along with learning. Discipline is the prime factor for everything, for success. For education also discipline is very important. So as per the advice of this Vasishtha, the children mastered all 4 Vedas by the year 10th year. Indeed, before the age of 10, they became the masters of all types of knowledge. Here knowledge means not only physical knowledge, not moral, not only worldly knowledge. They acquire all moral knowledge, secular knowledge, and spiritual knowledge. Now the king that, yes, my children will definitely rule the kingdom very beautifully. Here he got that confidence by observing the beauty of their knowledge, all types of knowledge. Here Swami narrates, there are 64 types of education. That fellow Ravanasura is having 64 education degrees, whereas Rama is having only 24 qualifications. Here Swami tells beautiful, everybody want Goppavadu, and means great person. But here a beautiful quotation in Telugu, Ramudu manchi baludu. That means Rama is a good boy. There is no replacement. Rama, Krishna is a not good boy, Shiva is a not good boy, anybody not boy. Only Rama is a good boy, that's the word, unique word. Because the simplicity of Rama, the manifestation of Dharma, Rama, that's why Rama is a good boy. Rama, that's why you should, Swami says that, you think that your children or their children, they should become good just like Rama, not great like Ravanasura. That fellow is having 64 qualifications. What is the use of? He is unable to implement anything in his daily life. Whereas Rama has implemented all the 24 degrees in a practical life. Here, beautiful Swami says that Atma Vidya, the spiritual education, is the real education of all the education. That Bhagavad Gita says. The spiritual learning is supreme learning. All other secular disciplines are like streams, whereas the spiritual knowledge is like a mighty ocean. All the streams have to merge in the ocean only itself. So all the 4 children got cultivated with beautiful, good qualities. They cultivated qualities that not at all you cannot find any even a small fraction of selfishness in their behavior. Not only the Vedas, they are mastered in military arts also, archery, swordsmanship, equestrian, because they are the future kings. They have to become the kings of the future kingdom, Ayodhya kingdom. So they know horse riding. They are perfect in elephant riding. How much fast is even the people unable to see, look at their riding also. Here, the Kaikeyi, he initiated Rama in more archery, because the Kaikeyi was very much expert in that archery. He saved Dasharatha once, but because these are all different stories. He was so much beautiful archery, Kaikeyi. She taught him all the military skills with great love and rare affection. Here, in the introduction, I forget to tell three things. I am stopping here. I will continue the subject here. A beautiful introduction. In the speed, I have forgotten. What is meant by what Ramayana? What we learn from Ramayana? Actually, I should start like this. What we learn from Ramayana? What lesson we? The lesson that we learn from Ramayana is attachment is pain, detachment is pleasure. The beautiful example, Sita itself. Sita left over his own kingdom, Janaka. He left over his in-laws, Ayodhya, all property, all comfort. He has gone with Rama. When Kama is there, no Rama. Kama means desire. Until by seeing that golden deer, Rama